Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am making club sandwich. Now I am using 150 grams of boiled chicken. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, half cup of cabbage, and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Now mix well. After mixing, you can see it's ready. Now I am using 4 bread slice. Cut the corner of the slice and now spread mayonnaise. Now it's done. Take one slice of bread, add chicken. Now add boiled egg slices. Take another bread slice and place over it and press hard and spread mayonnaise. Again add chicken and spread, and again add egg slices. Take a bread piece and place over it again and press hard. Spread mayonnaise again, add chicken, spread. Now add egg again. Take a bread slice and place over it again and press hard and cut carefully from the center. Now you can see it's looking yummy and delicious. Now you can see club sandwich is ready. It's yummy and delicious. Try it, love it, and eat it and tell me how it is. And thank you for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.